Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Here, go to your profile. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and select I need help. In the search bar, search for the option of I lost that I saved to my eyes only. Open it and tap on the cross icon to tell that the given article was not helpful. Now select the first option from these options. Click on Submit. After that, hit the Contact Us button. Then select the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Scroll down and select the option of Memories. Then select My Eyes Only. Next, scroll down. You need to add your username. Then add email. Lastly, add a description of your problem. Let's fill all these areas. Once you're done, tap on Submit. Then you need to verify by following the given instructions. Your request has been sent to Snapchat. Their team will soon resolve your issue. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.